Is your iPhone showing a privacy warning on Wi-Fi after the last iOS update? Hello there, this is Eve, and here's how to remove or turn off fixed privacy warning on Wi-Fi. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To turn or disable the privacy warning, open Setting, tap Wi-Fi, tap the connected Wi-Fi network that you are having issues with. Scroll down. Now enable private Wi-Fi address. Quickly after the settings, your iPhone will reconnect your Wi-Fi again. Now let's take a look at the problem again. If you still have issues, follow the last solution. Solution 2, reset your Wi-Fi network for your iPhone. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down again, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, tap Network Settings, tap Reset Network. After that, your problem will be solved. Now, if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.